How to set live wallpaper on PC or laptop? You can see in my wallpaper it is looking very good. You can see it is moving while I'm moving my cursor. Okay, so how you can set that type of live wallpaper on your window? I will show you the step-by-step process. So let me start the video. First we need to go in Microsoft Store, okay, and search here Lively Wallpaper application, and just open it and just get it. After get it will be installed on your window. Then after installation you can see this open option, just open it. I have already opened this lively wallpaper option. So here we have some live wallpaper options like this. If I select this, let me check on window. You can see this has been inserted and it's look like next level, you can see. So now here we have some option, like we have gallery. Here you can see your all uploaded your own wallpaper. Okay, so how you can add your own wallpaper? Here you can so go to the add wallpaper. Here you can drag and drop wallpaper from your device. Here also you can upload the wallpaper from your device. You need to just choose file, select your live wallpaper file from your device and upload it. Here you can insert the YouTube link. Okay, if you want to insert the wallpaper from YouTube, you need to just copy the YouTube link and just insert here. Then it will be come here on your desktop, your dashboard. Then you can simply select this wallpaper like this. Then it will be come to your desktop home screen. You can see like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.